Alright, so we're continuing to work on integration of the solar battery bank here. Now I'm just harvesting batteries from dollar store charge banks to get the 18650 cells for the project. So I figured I'd just show you what I'm getting. They're just these generic, single cell battery banks. Probably find them at any dollar store. But anyway, so what you do is you just get there with a screwdriver, pry that panel off, and then get the battery out carefully. There we go. And just pull it out, and there you have the battery. The next step, of course, is to separate the charge circuitry from everything else. So a little piece of tape here. I'm recording, right? Yes, okay. A little piece of tape that you can rip or peel off. And then these are spot welded onto the batteries, these little metal strips. So I just find that if you grab it and give it a sharp twist, it will typically break the welds. So there we go. See? And then it comes off fairly clean. It's not perfect, but you can't expect too much. Alright, and then we'll just do the same thing here. Just a sharp twist to break the weld points, weld spots, whatever they're called. There we go. Pull off the rest of that fish paper. And then there will be some glue left from where they secured it into the battery banks. So we'll just scrape off that glue, and then the battery goes into the holder, just like that. So that's kind of a really quick part, but I'm just trying to do these all sort of in discrete sections. So that's harvesting the batteries from the power banks and putting them into the battery holders. I guess in the next video I'll be tearing down the other one or the original bank that I built, this thing, so that we can get the batteries out of it. And then we'll start on, making the whole circuit. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here will be a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting. Right here will be a playlist, probably the solar battery bank playlist. And right here will be a link to Patreon, which you can use to support further videos like this one. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.